Forgive me for everything I've done in the past, when everything was going so fast, and now I just can't go on.
Now the last and final speaker to come up with the topic of dowry, a social anathema, is Maulana Tausif Alam. Please come at the podium and deliver your speech.
May praise to Allah, the Creator of the world. Peace and blessings be upon His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Honorable President, respected guests, and dear audience. Today, Indian society is suffering from many fatal diseases and problems like superstition, illiteracy, caste system, etc. One of the worst evils of Indian society is the dowry system. It is disheartening that today in our country, the practice of dowry has not only become a social curse but also has taken a business route. The word dowry means the property and money that a bride brings to her husband's house at the time of her marriage. Gift, presents and things given to the daughter in marriage is nothing bad in itself. But when the parents of the groom make demands in order to fulfill their desires at the expense of the bride's family, and when the parents try to stretch the expenses made by them on their sons' upbringing and education from the bride's family, it takes the shape of dowry. Marriage is an agreement to live life together in love and in unity. It's a union of two hearts, two personalities, but greedy and hungry wolves try to earn money by it. Some money-thirsty wolves use wedlock as a tool in their hands to attain money. The boys' parents openly demand money and other items, which include cars, scooter, fridge, color TV, etc. The rate of dowry changes according to the qualification of boy. Their rates fixed for IAS, IPS, PCS officers, qualified engineers, doctors. In fact, a regular marriage without dowry is almost unthinkable. Hence, the custom has become a curse, particularly for those who are either poor or unfortunate because they have several daughters. The darkest side of this anathema is that almost every young and his family wish a girl to bring more and more dowry so that he can proudly show it to people, notwithstanding whether he is poor or rich.